Welcome to BeGenius. To use landing page template, select a template to edit. Or you can create custom template by clicking here. To create template, enter landing page title here. Click here to create new landing page template. Here you can choose various screen sizes to view template. Click Genie icon to use Genie AI here. You can choose type of response here. Enter here to ask Genie. And click here to ask. Click on Copy Text to copy Genie response. Click here to insert text to the landing page. If you don't have API key, you can also other AIs by clicking here. Landing page offers a wide range of tools and features to help you edit, format, and manage templates. Click here to edit title of your landing page. You can save custom page from here. Or you can publish your landing page on your website by clicking Publish button. Enter landing page URL here. Now click here to publish. Click here to go back on the list. Here choose Yes to save or No to discard. Click here to edit template. Click here to unpublish template. Click here to copy URL. Click here to delete template. Click here to edit web page URL. Update new URL here. Click here to save updated URL. Thanks for watching this video.